Huzur, the question is based on this verse of the Holy Quran, verse number 36 of Surah Sad, which is chapter number 38. قال رب اغفر لي أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال رب اغفر لي وهب لي ملكا لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي إنك أنت الوهاب. Translation is, he said, O my Lord, grant me forgiveness and bestow on me a kingdom which none unworthy of it may possess after me. Surely thou art so generous.
We would like to know the meaning of لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي, and he would like also to know that his prayers was accepted by God or not, especially according to him it refers to the kingdom of Hazrat Sulaiman, under which he got complete supremacy over the jinn. And he would like to know also the background of this verse as well.
In fact, it's very clear from this verse that Allah had informed him of the uselessness of his son, who was like a Jasadan, who was to inherit his throne. And Hazrat Sulaiman had a vast kingdom to do justice and fair play to the people, not to treat them with injustice. He was afraid because of Allah's information that his son would not be able to do that. So to what end would this kingdom come? And we know that during the lifetime of his son, when he inherited his throne, all the kingdom broke out. So that is a prayer, in fact, not against his son, but for the people of the country, in their favor. And as far as the jinn mentioned are concerned, those jinn were not like ordinary jinn of human superstitions. They were bound in chains. How can you bind a jinn in chains? This was a old custom that rebellious people, when conquered, were put to some services, and they were bound in chains so that they moved from one place to another, had no opportunity to run away. And this is what happened at the time of pharaohs and others before. So this was a custom of the time, which is referred to. So when this son of Hazrat Sulaiman ultimately inherited, after a while it was kept secret that Hazrat Sulaiman has died. But after a while these people knew, and then they rebelled. And after that the whole kingdom broke into pieces. You understand? Mm-hmm.